Hey everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a Jira API token. This is super useful if you want to connect Jira with other tools or automate tasks. And yeah, the process is pretty quick. Let's get into it. All right, first thing, go ahead and sign into your Atlassian account. Just use the same email and password you use for Jira. Once you're in, look up in the top right corner and open your account menu, then click the option for account settings. On the left side, you'll see a bunch of sections. Find the one labeled security and open it. Yeah, right there. Inside the security page, look for API tokens. It might be under a small subsection, so if you don't see it right away, just scroll a bit. Now you'll see a list of any tokens you've made before. To create a new one, click Create API Token. A little pop-up is going to appear asking you to name it. Give the token a clear name like the app you plan to use it with. Then hit create and yeah, that's it. Jira will generate a token for you. Here's the important part. Copy that token and save it somewhere secure. You won't be able to view it again, so if you lose it, you'll need to make a new one. When you're ready to use the token, just paste it wherever the integration asks for an API key or password. Most tools accept the token as your password. So yeah, that's normal. And that's the whole process for creating a Jira API token. Super quick, super painless. If you're hooking Jira into another service, you should be good to go now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.